Stereochemistry of Ibuprofen. Stereochemistry refers to chemistry in three dimensions, and it is the heart of the chemistry. Isomers are different compounds with the same molecular formula. Isomers are subdivided into two sections. First section is constitutional or structural isomers. Isomers whose have different connectivity. Second one, stereoisomers. Isomers that have the same connectivity but different in the arrangement of their atoms in space. Stereoisomers are divided into configurational stereoisomers, which have high energy barrier and cannot interconverted by rotation. Conformational stereoisomers, which have low energy barrier and interconverted by rotation. Configurational subdivided into geometric isomers at double bond cis and trans. Optical isomers, the compounds having same molecular formula but different optical rotations. Optical isomers are divided into two sections. The first one in enantiomers. Isomers which are mirror image and non-superimposable, such as ibuprofen. The second one, diastomers. Isomers which are not mirror image of each other. Diastomers occur in compound has at least two chiral centers. The chilarity, chilar and hand. Chilarity is subdivided into chilar object has a non-superimposable mirror image like hand right and left. Achilar object has a superimposable mirror image like tail fork. Chilarity of carbon. Chilarity carbon atom connect with 4 different groups. An achilarity carbon not connect with 4 different groups. Definition of ibuprofen. A non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that is commonly used to treat pain, swelling, and fever. Common branch names of ibuprofen include Evitful, Morphine, and Nubrine. Chemical structure. The structure of ibuprofen composed of 13 carbon atoms, 18 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen. Chemistry is partially insoluble in water, but very soluble in most organic solvents like ethanol, methanol, acetone, and dichloromethane. Route of administration. It can be used by mouth as tablet, capsule, or suspension, or intravenously. Stereochemistry of ibuprofen has two: R-ibuprofen and S-ibuprofen. Stereochemistry. It is an optically active compound with both S and R isomers, of which the S-dextrorotatory isomer is the more biologically active. This isomer has also been isolated and used medically. In vivo, R-ibuprofen is undirectionally inverted to the S enantiomer. An isomerase alpha methyl acyl CoA racemase converts ibuprofen to the active S enantiomer. The S enantiomer is not able to form a CoA ester in vivo, therefore not inverted to R-ibuprofen. A recently characterized enzyme, epimerase, catalyzes the epimerization of R-ibuprofenol CoA ester to S-ibuprofenol CoA ester. The CoA ester hydrolyzes in a non-stereoselective manner. S enantiomers of ibuprofen is the active form of the drug. The properties: fast absorption, high effective, small dose, optical active. R enantiomers of ibuprofen. The R-ibuprofen is inactive or may be harmful. The properties: optically inactive, slow absorption, less effective, large dose. Ibuprofen side effect. Ibuprofen appears to have the lowest incidence of digestive adverse effect reaction of all the non-selective, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs: nausea, dyspepsia, gastrointestinal ulceration, bleeding, diarrhea, constipation, and hypertension. Doses: usual adult oral doses for mild to moderate pain, 200 to 400 mg orally every 4 to 6 hours as needed. And the medical description: the maximum amount for adults is 800 mg per dose or 3200 mg per day, based on an individual's response and tolerance. Over-the-counter preparations of ibuprofen are, in general, labeled to advise a maximum daily dose of 1200 mg. Uses: fever, inflammation, headache, toothache, pain, arthritis, minor injuries. Prepared by أصيل أحمد علي، حسام أحمد عقلان، معاذ اسكندر الأغبري، عارف خالد التبعي، موسى عبد الله حاتم، ناصر عبد الكريم سلمان، هلال يحيى زينة، معاذ محمد راجح، سليمان أحمد محمد، حمزة يحيى شرف الدين، عمار نشوان الأثوري. Supervised by as Professor Dr. Mukhtar Al-Ghurafi.